Wow, that's incredible, isn't it? Hello there, welcome to another episode of 24 in 24. Today we're in Tromsø in Norway and we're going to hike up to Rødtind. Now we are here at the moment, so it looks a fairly easy path. It's about 470 meters elevation, so I believe it's that one just up there. Well, it's got to be. So according to the guide that I've got, you've got to follow the gravel road, which this is obviously a gravel road, alongside the river. So hopefully, there we go. Let's just check out the river quickly before we head off on up the walk. Absolutely beautiful day for it. So I arrived in Tromsø yesterday. I mean, Tromsø itself is quite a small place, but really lovely, well worth a visit. And I got the bus this morning. It's about a 30-minute bus ride to get here. It looked like a pretty decent hike from the guide that I found. So yeah, let's see how long it takes. It says about 2 hours there and back, so it shouldn't be too strenuous, I don't think. Well, I do love a good waterfall. So it looks like this is the path I need to take. There is a sign there saying Rødtind, 1.7k. I was just reading the sign and it says that this is a reindeer pasture, and May to mid-June is the time you're most likely to see them, and I'm here in mid-June, so well, that would be awesome to bump into some reindeer. How's that for some epic views? Hopefully they come out right on the GoPro. It's always hard to tell, but yeah, I think the view from the top is going to be incredible. So I'm just stopping for a quick drink and bite to eat. Probably one of the best views I've ever seen. I really hope the GoPro shows it off. I would say I'm about halfway. I've got to say, this is surprisingly tough, tougher than I expected. It's only a small mountain, 470 meters, but it's quite relentless, the climb. But every time I get tired, just stop for a minute and look at that, catch your breath. I'm getting close. This guy coming down, he passed me about 15 minutes ago. This is probably in another 5-10 minutes to the top, and we've reached the snow line. But I think before I head up there, I'm just going to go and have another rest, because it looks like there could be some good views just over here. Okay, it looks like I might head down that way, because it does look like there's some more epic views, another lake. But I don't want to start heading down just to head back up again and do the summit. So just gonna have a quick break, get up to the top, and then we'll have a look at that on the way down. The last little push, and it looks like we're there. Hopefully it's not like Snowdon when you keep thinking you're at the summit and then you cross a rise and then you see it goes even higher. But pretty sure this is it. Oh, there we go. Well, that was worth it, wasn't it? Look at that. So that's the view I've been seeing all the way up, and then that down there, which I thought was another, I actually thought it's just a small lake. It looks like it's a massive fjord, which looks absolutely incredible. So we're gonna go and have a look at that. But before we do, let's just tick off the summit of Rødtind. That's one of those hikes, so on the way up it feels quite tough, but when you get here it only took about an hour and 20 minutes, and that's with loads of stops on the way. Here we go, Rødtind, 470 meters. Done. So that is the Rødtind hike done, but before I go I have got to go and check out the views of this fjord because it just looks incredible. So we're just going to have a wander over here. Wow, that's incredible, isn't it? Yeah, that was awesome. I'm so glad I did that. I had 3 hikes that I wanted to do while I'm in Tromsø, and this, I wasn't actually going to do this one today. I wanted to do the main one in Tromsø, Fløya it's called, but I really wanted to do that at midnight because the sun doesn't set here, so I just thought that'd be really cool, and it's the nearest one to where I'm staying. I can walk there. So yeah, so I thought I'd do this one first because it's Saturday today. I don't know if buses come here on a Sunday. So yeah, I think it's worked out really well. Weather has been perfect. So, despite me finishing that video, I've decided to carry on a little bit further because there's another peak just here, which is higher than the one I've just done. So I thought I'm probably never going to be here again, so why not just go and tick this one off as well. Okay, looking at the tracks here, it looks like whoever's been here previous has gone straight through the snow, so I think we're going to have to follow suit. Hopefully I can do it without getting too wet or by slipping and doing myself an injury, but it looks like we're nearly there. It looks like we're just making it to the summit. Still no idea what this is called. Hoping there's a sign like there was on the last one. No. No idea. Oh wow. More great views, eh? Wow, more epic views. I'm going to say that the video is definitely done now. I'm not going to do any more talking, you'll be glad to hear. But on the way back down, I might just add in a few video clips if there's anything of interest, which I'm sure there will be. But yeah, so thanks for watching. This has been an awesome day.